Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something special for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of smartwatch bands with the Dirrelo 4-pack Lace Silicone Band Compatible for Fitbit Sense and Versa series. Let's get started. These Dirrelo bands are specifically designed for Fitbit Sense, Versa 3, Versa 4, and Sense 2 models. What sets them apart? Well, it's all about style and functionality. With a chic floral lace hollow-out design, these bands add a touch of sophistication and elegance to your Fitbit smartwatch. But it's not just about looks. These bands are made of high-quality silicone material, making them smooth, flexible, breathable, lightweight, and durable. You can wear them for 24 hours without any irritation, perfect for those long days on the move. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just tackling your daily tasks, these bands stay comfortable and secure on your wrist. Plus, the open design allows air to circulate, preventing sweat buildup. A must-have feature for any active lifestyle. And when it comes to maintenance, these bands are a breeze to clean. Simply rinse them with water, and they're good as new. No need to worry about dirt or grime getting trapped in the intricate lace design. Installation is a snap too. These bands easily snap onto your Fitbit smartwatch, ensuring a perfect fit every time. And with a variety of colors to choose from, you can switch up your style to match any outfit or mood. So, whether you're looking to add a touch of flair to your fitness tracker or simply want a comfortable and functional band for everyday wear, the Dirrelo Lace Silicone Bands have you covered. Don't settle for ordinary when you can stand out with style. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and stay active.